Have you ever wondered what makes some conversations irresistible? Imagine having the secret to making women light up with just a few words. That is right, 10 magical words that can spark attraction, ignite chemistry, and make you unforgettable. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will not only know these words, but also how to use them with confidence and a touch of charm. Let us get started and turn up the heat on your conversations. The power of words. Words have incredible power. The right words can spark attraction, build trust, and make someone feel seen and valued. But let us be honest, most of us have blurted out something cringeworthy at least once. Before we dive into the 10 words, let us understand why they matter. Women are drawn to emotional connections, and words are the bridge to emotions. Use them wisely, and you create magic. Use them poorly, and you create awkward silence, or worse, the dreaded eye roll. Word number 1, appreciate. The first word is appreciate. Women love to feel valued. Saying things like, I appreciate what you did, or I appreciate your perspective goes beyond compliments. It acknowledges effort and shows that you are not just there for the free food. Appreciation builds respect and emotional intimacy. Pro tip, say it like you mean it, not like a text from your boss. Word number 2, understand. The second word is understand. This word tells her you are not just hearing her, but truly listening. Saying, I understand how you feel, or I understand why that matters to you makes her feel safe and validated. Just make sure you are not zoning out while she talks, or she will notice, and you will not like what happens next. Word number 3, support. The third word is support. Women admire men who stand by them. Phrases like, I support your decision, or I am here to support you, show reliability and emotional strength. And hey, supporting her does not mean just carrying her bag at the mall. It is about being her rock when life gets real. Bonus points if you can do both. Word number 4, believe. The fourth word is believe. Say things like, I believe in you, or I believe you can do it, and watch her confidence grow. Women are drawn to men who see their potential and cheer for their dreams. Just do not say it like a self-help guru on his 4th espresso. Keep it natural, my guy. Word number 5, love. The 5th word is love, but not just in the romantic sense. Saying I love how you think, or I love your energy makes her feel uniquely special. Love, when expressed sincerely, strengthens the connection and creates memorable moments. But remember, do not overuse it. You do not want to sound like a contestant on a dating show. Word number 6, admire. The 6th word is admire. When you tell someone I admire your courage, or I admire your creativity, you acknowledge their unique qualities. Admiration is like fuel for self-esteem and shows genuine respect. Just do not say, I admire your ability to binge watch Netflix. Keep it classy. Word number 7, respect. The 7th word is respect. Phrases like, I respect your decision, or I respect how you handled that show maturity and consideration. Respect is essential for healthy communication and mutual growth. Bonus, it is way more attractive than trying to win every argument. Trust me, nobody likes a sore winner. Word number 8, grateful. The 8th word is grateful. Saying I am grateful for you, or I am grateful for your help emphasizes gratitude. It creates warmth and makes people feel valued for their efforts and presence. Just remember, gratitude is not a receipt, so leave the terms and conditions tone out of it. Word number 9, cherish. The 9th word is cherish. Saying I cherish our time together, or I cherish your honesty goes beyond appreciation. It shows that you hold something close to your heart, creating a deeper emotional bond. Warning, do not use this on your gaming console in front of her, unless you want to be single. Word number 10, inspire. The 10th word is inspire. Tell her you inspire me, or you inspire everyone around you, and you instantly uplift her spirit. Inspiration connects dreams and actions, creating a positive and motivational environment. Just do not say it while she is binge-watching reality TV. Timing is everything. Conclusion: bringing it all together. These 10 words: appreciate, understand, support, believe, love, admire, respect, grateful, cherish, and inspire are not just words. They are keys to creating deeper emotional connections. Use them genuinely, and you will see a transformation in your interactions. And hey, if all else fails, remember, humor never hurts. Let us know in the comments which word you are going to use first, or if you have your own secret weapon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.